Let's talk tips and tricks for your Beats pill, like controls, amplify and stereo modes, speakerphone, battery status and charging out, lossless audio, and software updates. Controls. The 4 buttons on the Beats pill can do quite a lot. The center button controls your music. Pressing the power button twice activates your voice assistant. Holding down the plus or minus button ramps your volume up or down. Amplify mode and stereo mode. Want to go even bigger? Sync 2 Beats pill speakers in amplify mode by pressing and holding both center buttons. A blue light on each speaker will indicate that they are synced. To toggle from amplify mode to stereo mode, simultaneously press and hold one speaker's center and plus buttons. Stereo mode turns 2 synced speakers into dedicated left and right outputs for a surround sound feel. Speakerphone. You can also use your Beats pill as a speakerphone. Press the center button once to answer or mute a call while the pill is paired. Press the center button twice to reject or end a call. Battery status and charging out. To check battery life, give the power button a quick press. A green light indicates the pill has enough power. A red light means battery is low. Battery status will also pop up on your device screen. You can even charge your phone or other devices from your pill with the USB-C cable. Lossless audio. You can also enjoy lossless audio with your Beats pill via USB-C cable. Press and hold the power button while plugging the cable into the pill from your computer or other compatible device. Over-the-air updates. As we continue to roll out features and improvements, you'll automatically receive software updates so that you can keep getting the most out of your Beats pill.